Hey everyone, today I'll show you what to do if your computer is on but the monitor isn't working. First, check if the cables are properly connected. Make sure to push them in firmly as they can come loose. Next, check if the cables are securely plugged into the graphics card. They might have slipped out a bit, so push them in again. Alright. Then, ensure that the monitor is receiving power. Often it's either unplugged or the power supply is faulty. Don't forget to actually turn on the monitor. It's crucial. People sometimes forget this simple step. Check which input source the monitor is set to. Make sure to select the correct input signal. Hope this helps. That's all from me. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck everyone. See you next time.